Hello friends, how are you doing? I reckon you're all good. So I've started with my new course of A1 to B1 German grammar. So let's begin with our topic. Bausteine der Sprache. Introduction to the language. Just start ideas, and here's Ishan Mara to explain you this chapter. Let's begin. Buchstabe. Letters. In German, there are 26 letters and 4 special letters. I'll sing a song so you remember it quickly. And you'll also know the pronunciation. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, E, Ö, Ü und etc. Buchstabe forms word. Letters make word. So Buchstabe dann Wort. Für Beispiel Urlaub, Juli und Akzente. When we write Akzente, we write dot 18. So we can say that dot is another word. Let's say and 18 is another. Und sehr. So friends, again, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video, and also click the notification bell to get my video first. Es gibt verschiedene Wortarten. There are different parts of speech. Substantive, pronomen, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjugation, interjection. Substantive schreibt man groß. Man writes a noun's first letter in capital, whether it is a common noun or a proper noun. In English, we only write the first letter of proper noun in capital. But in German, whether it's common or proper, we always write its first letter in capital. Buchstabe, dann Wort, dann Schatz. Alphabets make word, words make sentences. Für Beispiel, der Urlaub war am Juli 18. und war sehr spaßig. Und dann Buchstabe, dann Wort, Wort, dann Schatz, Schatz, dann die Texte. Alphabets make words, words make sentences, sentences make texts or paragraphs. Beispiel von Text. This is an example of text. It talks about how family Müller does its breakfast. Dankeschön, thanks a lot. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and we'll meet in my next video which talks about verbs. Verben. Bye for now. Thank you. Also friends, I will be making some quizzes for you in the Kahoot. So the pin for the game, I will be sending it in the description box, and you just go to type Kahoot and you'll get play Kahoot, enter game pin here. You enter the game pin which I have given in the description box, and then you can play. And you'll also learn loads of things what I have given. So don't forget to play. Bye for now.